I'm in the process of setting up my art business properly since returning to the UK from Canada. I thought it might be helpful to share what I've learned along the way, especially for other artists and small business owners just starting out. So these are my business cards that I designed myself using my logo, and this is the stag I drew. I got them printed on printed.com, and the quality is really nice. You can get the corners rounded off for an extra charge, but I've decided to do them myself, hence the video. This is how they look. Just gives them a softer, more elegant feel, makes them stand out more, I think, and just goes with my brand that I like. So I use this tool. It's just a simple corner punch, which I purchased from Amazon. You make sure you hold it upside down when you put it in, and do it somewhere it's not gonna make a cracking mess. So I do it over this thing that I got from IKEA, and you just put your card in. You can put two in at the same time, but I just think it gives it a nice cleaner edge if you do one at a time, because you don't want to damage what you're doing. If it doesn't do it correctly, just go back in there and clean it off a bit. But that's the finished look. Thought I'd share this because when I first started setting up my business, I realised how little out there, you know, about the small things, you know, business cards, packaging, certificates, even presentations. So they've all taken time to figure out. So what I'll be doing is posting more videos like this, showing just the small processes of my art business. Just think simple things like doing this little QR code, which I did for free on Canva. I can show you how I did it, changing the colours. This is like a dark grey because I didn't want it jet black, and I didn't like the standard looking QR codes. It's like little fine dots. So I can show you a video how I did this. At the moment, this QR code won't take you anywhere because I've not started my website. I've not finished doing it, but it should take you there eventually when I get it set up. But anyway, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for the next one. Thank you so much for watching.